I just looked back and realized that I have not updated you guys on anything for a while. And I've been so abundantly blessed, as you guys all well know. But to add to my immense miracles and blessings is another miracle. After my last video, I was still in the process of trying to get over my cough. And I want to inform you that I have arrived, that for the last probably, I don't know, month or I don't know how long ago my last update was, but however long it's been, I have not coughed. I have not been coughing. And it was crazy to me what a blessing that was and how quickly it happened. I actually expected to still be coughing for quite some time because I had heard of one person who had something similar to me, had immunotherapy, and then got a cough of unknown origin, just ramped up from the immunodrugs. And he took 2.5 years to get over it. Darren's uncle also is going through cancer and cancer treatments right now, and he's having a similar reaction to it as I had, which is super ironic because in the literature you can't find anything. I scoured the internet looking for people like me, and I couldn't find examples, but I think among the cancer population, I think we would be surprised at how many people that it's not being documented, but how many people are actually suffering with similar symptoms. So I want to plant a seed of hope for anybody who might know somebody who's going through this. It can be conquered, and because I have seriously not coughed. I remember standing in the shower probably 2 times, and I'm not a beautiful singer, but I like to sing. And I would get 1 or 2 notes out, and then I would go into a huge coughing fit, and I couldn't sing. And I remember one time weeping for the loss of that ability. And now I can sing, and it's not professional, but it's something that brings me peace and joy, and I hope it brings peace and joy to my kids, my family. So I think Heavenly Father is so good, and He really does have our best interests at heart, and He provides miracles. And I am a walking, living, breathing example of that. And I hope that you guys can see those miracles, big and small, in your own lives, because they're there if we look, because He loves you.